For number 25, they give you this, and it looks really complicated, but it is definitely not, and it's so doable for you. And what's even great is if you look on the front of your section 4 packet, these are given. It says the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. The volume of a cylinder is volume equals pi r squared h. Okay, so basically if you look at this picture, it's one of these and then another one here and then a cylinder right here. So basically what we need to do is these are identical, find it one time and then multiply it by 2, then we'll have these, and then add it to this. Okay, so that's all we're going to do, and we're just going to plug in the numbers that are already given. Let's work on the volume for one cone first. Okay, so one cone volume, it's going to be 1/3 times pi. What is the radius of that cone? 5. And then what, and we got to square that, and then what is the height? 5. Okay, so this is going to be 1/3 pi times 25 times 5. Okay, 25 times 5 is 125 over 3 pi, which is going to equal 41.66666 whatever pi. That's for 1. But we know that we're going to have, so this is 41.6 pi. But we know that this one is also 41.6 pi. Okay, so we're going to multiply that by 2. And we're going to get 83.2 pi. Okay, so this is going to be our first one. And then now let's plug in the numbers for the volume of the cylinder. And that's going to be pi. And then what's the volume? The radius is the same as 5 squared. And what's the height on this one? 10. So this is going to be pi times 25 times 10, which is going to be 250 pi. So you would just add those together, okay? But when you look at the answer choices, you're like, oh wait, none of them have pi. That means that they multiplied it through. So let's just multiply this, and you could use your calculators. 83.2 times 3.14, which is equals pi. So 83.2 times 3.14 is going to equal 261,248. Okay? And then we're going to have to add that to 250 times 3.14, because that is what pi is. And that's 785. So we need to take these two numbers and add them together. You're going to get 785 plus 261.248, and you're going to get 1046.248. That is your answer. Okay, and what number is closest to that? D, and D is your answer.